Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very refreshing salad. The name of the salad is coleslaw. Now coleslaw is the term which has been derived by Dutch people. These Dutch people came to United States where cabbage has been grown into a huge large quantity. And this coleslaw, according to Dutch, is nothing but the salad of cabbage, only pure cabbage. Kool, Kool, kool according to Dutch is cabbage and slaw means salad. So the term coleslaw means cabbage salad. Now to give it a taste, they also added mayonnaise to it, followed into that some mustard powder and black pepper powder, salt to taste, sugar and some cream into it. In Germany it is called Krautsalat, K-R-A-U-T, Kraut means cabbage, Salat means salad. Now in Germany Krautsalat is also made with some mayonnaise, and in some places it is made with vinegar but with no mayonnaise. It's not creamy. Okay, so this is the US version which I'm going to show. Okay, now for this I need 1.5 cup shredded cabbage. It should be very finely cut or shredded. Then 1 cup shredded, or say you can say grated cabbage. Then say about 1 tablespoon very finely chopped onion, and say 1/4 cup this green capsicum. Now all these 3 items are just to give it a color or say crunchiness. Now let us begin making this salad. I will first mix cabbage, now into that I'll be adding some carrot, then onion, and some green capsicum, just to give it a color, and I will just mix them. Okay, now into this, now suppose in your house you don't have this mayonnaise, then you can use little hunkered and say cheese cream. Cheese cream means the cream which has been made by beating the paneer. Okay, so that is called the cream cheese, and hunkered. Okay, if you don't have mayonnaise. Okay, little bit carrot more because the color seems to be very less. Now into this I'll be adding say 3/4 teaspoon of mustard powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Okay, and into this I'll be adding very little, say 1/2 teaspoon salt. Okay, just to give it a taste, because mayonnaise already has some salt. Okay, now into this I'll be adding say 2 teaspoon of sugar, little sweet taste, you know. So only this much sugar. Okay, that's all. And I'm going to squeeze a lime, a juice of fresh lime. Just to give it a sour taste. Okay, now all this I will first mix. this, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Okay, so this much cream is more than enough, and I will be adding mayonnaise. Mayonnaise also about 2 tablespoons. Okay, that's all is the mayonnaise required. And now this I will mix. After mixing this, my coleslaw is already ready. So this is how my coleslaw salad is ready. Now we will make a sandwich out of this. Now this sandwich you can have it into afternoon tea time, or say even in the morning, early in the morning for the breakfast also you can have, or you can take this salad for your tiffin into the office. Okay, now let's do this. I have taken 2 slices of bread and I'm going to chop off its sides. Okay, actually you get a big slice for what you call sandwich sandwich. Okay, yeah, here I have finished chopping. Now what I will do, I will apply little butter. Butter will give it a very nice taste. Okay. Here I finished applying butter. Now what I will be doing, I will put this salad here. Now into this salad, if you don't want lime taste, if you don't like that sour taste, you can avoid putting lime. Now you can also add to it different fruits like apple, grapes, then you can also add pineapple, oranges, okay, vitamin C fruits. Okay, you can avoid lime juice. And this is here I have put and I will cover it with another, and I will cut it triangular. See, the sandwich looks so good. You can roast also to them. So these are my coleslaw sandwiches are ready. You can put it like this. Now if you like my recipe, please make it. This is very refreshing. You have to do one thing, that all the new viewers, please first subscribe my channel, view my videos, click on to the thumbs up or the like button if you like my recipe, and share my videos with your friends, relatives and family members. Please write your comments into the comments box, and please make this recipe at home, and please write your what you call experiences making coleslaw. Coleslaw is nothing but the cabbage salad. Okay, thank you.